Ever wondered why your paycheck seems to vanish as fast as it arrives, while the ultra-rich seem to have cash flowing from places you've never even heard of? It's no accident. The wealthiest people don't just rely on a salary. Oh no, they have income streams coming from all directions like a financial symphony, while many are stuck with a one-note tune. Let's unpack this a bit. Imagine the salary as a single-stringed instrument, reliable, sure, but limited. Now, think of the wealthy's portfolio as an orchestra. Stocks, for instance, are those lively violins bouncing up and down with the market's rhythm, offering dividends and long-term growth. Real estate plays the booming bass notes, providing steady rental income and property value appreciation. Then there's equity in businesses, the grand piano of their financial symphony, delivering dividends, profit shares, and sometimes jaw-dropping exits. Each of these income streams isn't just about having more money, it's about protection and flexibility. When one source slows down, another might pick up speed, creating a balancing act that ensures they're always on track. But how does one start composing this financial masterpiece? Stay tuned. So how do the wealthy orchestrate this masterpiece? It's all about smart choices and calculated risks. Let's start with stocks. The magic here is in diversification, owning parts of multiple companies across various industries. This reduces the risk if one sector takes a hit. Think of stocks as seeds in a garden. Plant enough, and you're bound to see some flourish spectacularly. Now, let's shift to real estate. It's not just about buying property. It's about strategically investing in locations with growth potential. The truly savvy investors see beyond current value. They anticipate future hotspots, turning what seems like mere bricks and mortar today into booming financial success tomorrow. Real estate often serves dual purposes: income through rent and appreciation, growing wealth over time. And let's talk equity in businesses. This is where true innovation plays out. Whether it's a startup or a well-established company, having equity ties your financial growth to the company's success. Here, connections matter. The rich often have access to exclusive deals through networks simply unavailable to most, uncovering opportunities others might miss. Each income stream supports the other, contributing to an ever-growing financial ecosystem. But where does one begin weaving this web of wealth? Next, we'll explore some actionable steps you can take to start diversifying your own income streams. Ready to start your own journey towards multiple income streams? It's not just for the ultra-rich. It's accessible to anyone willing to embrace a bit of financial savvy. First, ease into the world of investing. Begin with a diversified index fund, which is like having a pre-packaged buffet of stocks, reducing risk while offering growth potential. It's a great first step into the stock market's vast ocean. As you gain confidence, consider stepping into real estate. You don't need millions to start. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are a game changer, allowing you to invest in real estate without the need to buy property directly. They pay dividends and can be a stable addition to your portfolio. Now, think creatively with side hustles. This could be anything from freelance work to launching a small business of your own, a way to boost your income while also exploring passions. It's these ventures that often plant the seeds for larger business equity opportunities later. Keep educating yourself. Knowledge really is power, especially with investments. Resources are everywhere, from podcasts to workshops. Understanding financial markets, property trends, and business strategies can open doors to opportunities you never knew existed. You might be surprised by how quickly your single income source can multiply, setting you on a path that mirrors the strategies of the wealthy. As you're inching towards multiple income streams, remember that patience and persistence are key. These strategies don't transform overnight. They mature over time, much like a fine wine. Let's delve into the power of reinvestment. When those dividends start rolling in or your side hustle brings in profits, think about reinvesting a portion back into your ventures. It's a cycle. Earn, reinvest, grow, and repeat. This concept compounds wealth steadily and firmly. But let's not forget the power of technology. Today, apps and online platforms provide access to investments previously reserved for what's often perceived as the elite. Robo-advisors can tailor portfolios to fit your risk tolerance and goals, automating your entry into the investing world. Crowdfunding platforms let you invest in promising startups with even small amounts, potentially tapping into lucrative equity deals. And here's where networking enters the stage. Building relationships with like-minded individuals can provide insights, advice, and even partnerships, which can be invaluable. Attend local meetups, join online forums, and engage with community groups to share experiences and learn from others' journeys. Ultimately, your financial landscape is yours to craft. Embrace the exploratory nature of this journey, keep pushing boundaries, and remember that diversifying income streams isn't just reserved for the wealthy. It's a mindset, a strategy, and a step towards financial freedom accessible to all who dare to dream bigger. As you continue on this path, let's touch on the often overlooked yet vital aspect of risk management. Each income stream carries its own set of challenges and uncertainties. A well-rounded portfolio means balancing higher-risk investments with stable ones. Stocks are volatile but offer high returns. Real estate is more stable but requires careful research. Diversifying across different asset classes allows you to mitigate risk while still pursuing growth. Then, there's the importance of constantly reviewing and adjusting your strategy. The financial world is dynamic, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Schedule regular check-ins on your investment portfolio and income streams. Are there underperforming assets dragging you down? Can you rebalance your assets to better fit shifting market trends? Communication is key in this ongoing strategy refinement. If you're partnered with financial advisors, keep those lines open. Their insights can be crucial for navigating complex market conditions, but also trust your gut and experience. Your personal financial journey gives you unique insights into what works best for you. Finally, embrace the mindset of continuous learning. Finance isn't static. It's a learning journey with no true endpoint. Stay curious, stay informed, and remain adaptable. By doing so, you'll not only build wealth, but also cultivate a financial confidence that's invaluable. Now, let's bring it all together with some final thoughts on how you can implement these strategies starting right now. By now, you've got a roadmap to diversify and grow your income like the wealthiest individuals do. It starts with exploring stocks, real estate, side hustles, and reinvestment. Every decision brings you closer to financial resilience and independence. Here's the challenge. Start today. Whether it's setting up that first investment account or launching a side project, take one decisive step. Invest in your future by subscribing to our channel for more tips and strategies, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Let's build this journey together.